Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your crypto backups using AWS S3 with server-side encryption step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Amazon Web Services account. Navigate to the S3 service from the AWS Management Console. Click on the Create Bucket button. Enter a unique name for your bucket. Select the region closest to you for optimal performance. Scroll down to the bucket settings. Ensure that server-side encryption is enabled by choosing the appropriate option. Select AES 256 for server-side encryption. Complete the bucket creation process by clicking on the Create Bucket button at the bottom. Once your bucket is created, open it by clicking on its name. Click on the Upload button to begin uploading your crypto backups. Select the files you want to upload from your local storage. Optionally, add tags or metadata as necessary for organization. Review the Permissions tab to ensure proper access controls. Confirm that only authorized users can access your backups. Click on Upload to secure your crypto backups to S3. After the upload completes, you can view your files in the bucket. To verify encryption, select a file and check the properties. Look for the encryption field to confirm it displays AES 256. Regularly monitor your backups and bucket settings for optimal security. Consider enabling versioning on your bucket for added redundancy. Backup your encryption keys securely to ensure you can access your data. Schedule routine audits of your AWS permissions and logs for ongoing security integrity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.